Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on a very serious social issue which is prevailing in the society. That is the gang rape case which took place on 14 September in Hathras, UP. On 14 September, a 19-year-old woman from the village was allegedly gang raped by four accused, who are now in custody. The girl was firstly admitted to GN Medical College in Aligarh but was shifted to Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi last Monday. However, she could not be saved and breathed her last on Tuesday morning at the hospital. Even there was an attempt to cut her tongue. Besides gang raping her, the perpetrators also physically assaulted her. There was a serious cut on her tongue, indicating that there was an attempt to strangulate her, the SP added. All the accused had been booked under the section 307, which talks about attempt to murder of the Indian Penal Code 1860, and later were charged with gang rape under section 376D of our Indian Penal Code, according to the Hathras ASP Prakash Kumar. Also, if we talk about the allegation, all four attackers accused of gang rape have been arrested by the Hathras police and are currently in police custody. The name of the four accused, as identified by the women, are Sandeep, Ramu, Lavkush, and Ravi. Besides gang raping her, the perpetrators also physically assaulted her. There was a serious cut on her tongue, indicating that there was an attempt to strangulate her, the SP added. Even if we talk about negligence on behalf of police, members of the Dalit woman's family have accused the police of negligence. Meanwhile, the station house officer of Chandpa police station in Uttar Pradesh Hathras district was transferred after the incident. There was a huge negligence on part of police also. If we talk about the consequences of the case, the gang rape of the 19-year-old Dalit teen is one such case that has caused widespread outrage. But in this case, it's not just the attackers who have committed a heinous crime. The authorities too have treated her family with indignity. Following the outrage, the Hathras police have denied reports that they cremated her body without the family's consent. But many local journalists have contested their story. If we talk about the situation of Dalits in our country, Dalits are some of India's most downtrodden citizens because of an unforgiving Hindu caste hierarchy and condemns them to the bottom of the ladder. Despite laws that protect them, discrimination remains a daily reality for the Dalits. There are several articles in our Indian constitution which significantly talks about the rights of Dalits, but still their rights are being violated. Still, they are being subjected to inequality. Article 14, Article 15, which significantly talks about their rights. Still, they are being suppressed and are being exploited. If we move to the conclusion, rape and sexual violence have been under the spotlight in India since the 2012 Delhi attack, which led to huge protest and changes to the country's rape laws. But there has been no sign of crimes against women and girls abating. The time has come to realize that we have to change the thinking of the society. We have to raise voice of women. We have to make them aware that there are several rights which are being given in our Indian constitution, and even there are several acts which significantly talks about the rights of women. We have to realize that women are not subjected to being suppressed. They are integral part of the society, and we have to make them aware of their rights. So we can stop these cases if government would take measures to suppress these evils of the society. If we are together, we can combat the situation. We can decrease the case of rape, which are expeditiously increasing in our country. So, not only the government, it's our responsibility to raise their voice, and we have to significantly raise this case up. We want justice. We are in the era of justice. But still, women doesn't get justice. And the government is not responsible for this. It's the thinking of people. it's the thinking of the society. So, despite of sitting alone, we should come unanimously to improve the situation. That's all for the presentation. Thank you.